Recipe for chicken chow mein. Hey everyone, welcome back to Food and Fun channel. Today, we're going to make the delicious and classic Chinese dish, chicken chow mein. It's the perfect blend of noodles, chicken, and fresh vegetables, all tossed together in a scrumptious sauce. So if you're ready to bring the flavors of your favorite Chinese restaurant into your kitchen, let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this recipe. Ingredients: 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, thinly sliced. 200 grams chow mein noodles. 2 cups sliced cabbage. 1 cup sliced carrots. 1 bell pepper, thinly sliced. 3 green onions, sliced. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Sauce: 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger. Instructions: first, let's mix our sauce. Combine the soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, sesame oil, sugar, and ground ginger in a small bowl. Set aside. In a wok or large pan, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and cook until browned and cooked through. Now, toss in the cabbage, carrots, bell pepper, and garlic. Stir fry for a few minutes until the veggies are tender. Next, add the chow mein noodles to the pan. If they are sticking together, you can rinse them under warm water first. Pour the sauce over the noodles, chicken, and vegetables, and toss everything together until well coated. Finally, stir in the green onions and cook for another minute. And there you have it, a simple and tasty chicken chow mein, ready to be served. I hope you'll love this chicken chow mein as much as I do. It's quick, easy, and packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And feel free to share your own favorite variations of this dish in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!